So I've had some crank wobble issues with this 99 Miata, and I just want to show you guys what is happening down here. This is a new crank bolt, but look at that. It's just a little loose. You'd think it would fit tighter. And then I'm going to pull this out. So I think it's the crank boss pulley. So that's a new bolt. This is the crank saver, but even that, not super tight in there. That's the crank saver. So this is the pulley boss, or the boss pulley. I don't know which comes first, but check this out. It's kind of loose. I mean, look at this. Now I know it doesn't, yeah, it doesn't go on the crank really far, on the crank nose. There's only a little. This is the whole issue, you know. That's why you want the crank saver. So I think this is the culprit, because it's a lower RPM wobble. So I'm going to replace this. I've already got a new harmonic balancer. I got the timing sprocket is new. But that, I mean, this is all, that is actually pretty tight. See, and this is new. So I don't think it's the crank. I'm gonna pull this out. All right, just hang on a second. Let's get this. All right, so these are all new. You can see down here, let me get this down here. You can see the keyway looks good. So I don't think it's the crank. I think it's the boss pulley boss, or boss pulley. Before I do that, I'm going to replace this. And I just read you do not need to drain the oil, so I'm going to replace the crank seal. But that's what's up. So I'll do a part 2 to this, if not on this video, on another one, and I will show you guys the difference. But I think if you have some crank pulley wobble, it's probably this piece. It's probably not the harmonic balancer or the crank itself. It's not a bent crank. It's probably this guy. And you can get these now for, as of the making of this video, I got an OEM for like $140 delivered. So hopefully that'll fix it. Getting tired of troubleshooting this. Hopefully that's the answer.